Hi guys, Yang here, and for this video we will talk about Lumia. So this is the only full cycle RWA chain, which means that Lumia has a real world assets na hindi lang siya guys basta-bastang project, hindi lang siya basta-bastang crypto, pero they have real world assets na outside digital space. So they have 337,000 followers, and this is backed by many big projects like Laser Digital, DWF Labs, TRG, Copy, Binance, Crypto.com, and so much more. So, ang kagandahan lang guys ni Lumia is listed na siya sa iba-ibang platforms or exchanges. That means that Lumia is now tradable on Binance. Meron pa dito guys. It is already listed on Gate.io. Is now available on Binance. Marami pang na siya guys. LBank Exchange also available na to. And then BitGet Global. Marami na actually guys. So it is listed on different crypto platforms, which means that we can buy or sell Lumia tokens from these exchanges. Pero ang kagandahan lang guys kay Lumia is that meron din silang pinapa-airdrops, at yung airdrops naman ito is napakadali lang guys. Yung mga tasks na gagawin natin is napakadali lang. So let's go over to their website para makita natin ano yung mga tasks nila, and then how we can earn XP or points that is convertible to tokens so in the future. Pero right now kasi we need to earn muna ng maraming XP para guys, syempre pag nag-airdrop sila marami tayong makukuhang tokens, diba? So now let's go to the website. Ito guys yung yung quests ni Lumia. So right now I have 3,309 XP. And then, ito yung mga available quests or tasks na pwede natin gawin. Like, staking is coming soon pa lang. Yung faucet, meron din sila guys, testnet. So, yung testnet naman is that you can claim tokens, free tokens from the faucet. Pero yung tokens na to guys, hindi siya tradable sa mga exchanges Magagamit natin to para matry yung yung transactions para makapag-transact tayo within Lumia testnet platform. So pwede kayong mag-claim ng faucet, ng free token sa faucet nila, and you'll earn plus 100 na XP, and then you can make transaction as well from other users. Plus 20 XP per transaction. Dito naman sa referral, you can also invite your friends who want to participate with Lumia airdrop, and then syempre kapag nag-sign up sila using your referral, and then meron kayong 10 referrals, you can claim additional 150 na XP. And then you can also connect your wallet, which I have done or connected already. And then ito guys, connect your wallet, connect yung Twitter. Kahit isang friend lang guys, makakapag-claim kayo ng plus na 10 XP. And then Twitter, more on Twitter lang naman to guys na kailangan nating i-follow. Then Telegram, Discord. So marami din kayong may earn na XP sa mga tasks na to. So more tasks na magagawa ninyo is syempre more tokens or points that you will earn. So guys, available. Ito na lang yung available na tasks na hindi ka pa nagagawa. So konti na lang sila. Ayan guys, if you are watching this video right now, make sure to participate with Lumia na quest na to. Syempre, pag nag-airdrop sila, para isa din kayo sa makakasama or magiging paldo, kasi nga syempre, magandang project, listed na din sa iba-ibang exchanges. So, why not we also try this one, diba? So, meron din akong tutorial kung paano gawin yung mga task na to step by step. I already have a video about this one, so I will include the link as well sa description box or sa comment para mabilis nyong masundan. So yan guys, sa pag nag-refer naman kayo ng friends na nyo, ito, click nyo lang yung referrals. Makikita nyo dito ito yung referral link na nyo, copy nyo lang yan, and then kung ilang referrals meron na kayo at kung ilang XP yung na-earn ninyo sa referrals. Ito guys, total reward from referrals. So, yun guys. And then, leaderboard. Kung pang ilan ng ranking kayo. Ako nasa 10,000 plus ranking. 10,000 na rankings ako. Pero anyway, our goal is to earn more XP, diba? That's why we're doing this task right now. So, yun guys, if you want more crypto, free crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial, make sure to subscribe to this channel para syempre masusundan nyo rin yung mga bagong airdrop na ipopost natin. So, I hope to see you in my next videos and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!